I'm happy to see you today. Let's start with our hello song. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Great job! Okay, let's sing our days of the week. I think that today we should do a big wiggle when we sing our days of the week. Ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Okay, let's sing our months. Ready? January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December. 12 months of the year. Woo, woo! Okay. Now we get to count. Ready to count along with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and today is number 27. Today is Wednesday, May 27th. Okay, thank you for counting along. That was a lot of numbers. Get your circles ready. Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done. Now it's time for play.